trying this for a while. He stabbed one piece of meat, and he's been picking this one up, but not able to like get it to his mouth.
Mama, I'll try and pick it up.
Yeah, I know you're trying to pick it up, Bubba. Do you want a fork instead, maybe?
Huh? Do you have fork?
And spoon. Spoon works.
Oh, let me try.
You gotta pick one. Chopsticks or spoon. Pick one. Thanks.
That's so literal. He picked one.
What the heck is that?
Did he just stab one? With the fat end of it?
He took the fat and put it next to it.
Oh, he used his fingers. That's funny. Anyway, it's funny to watch him try.